Sa totoo lang po, we expected them to file this petition. Sabi nga natin, it is more than 100 pages long. How can they have come up with the 100 plus pager petition in a few days, right after we had our hearing in the Committee on Justice. So obviously matagal na ho itong pinaghandaan, pero hindi po yun. Ang sinasabi po natin ay last year po nung tayo ay sumabak po sa impeachment, sila po ay nag-question sa Korte Suprema saying that the way that we filed the impeachment and transmitted the articles of impeachment before the Senate was unconstitutional. Dapat daw po hindi dumiretso doon. We bypassed rules. We did not follow the Constitution. We did not follow the rules of the House of Representatives. Ano po ang nangyari doon? Naglabas po ang Korte Suprema ng desisyon back in July saying that we should follow due process, that while that we should follow due process and afford the Vice President her rights under the Constitution, and this will be done by going through the House Committee on Justice. So kaya ngayon, nagtataka kami na kung kailan sumusunod po kami sa desisyon ng Korte Suprema, kung kailan po bawat letra ng House Committee on Justice rules and the rules of impeachment of the House of Representatives, bawat letra po ay sinusunod namin. Kine-question po na naman nila ito. Sumusunod lang naman po kami sa aming tungkulin under the Constitution and as dictated by the Supreme Court in the decision in the Duterte case.